just want to make a real quick video, show you guys some of the capabilities of the Launch scan tool. So right behind me, we have this 2016 Porsche Cayenne. So if you take a look at the instrument cluster, you'll notice that we do have the Service Now symbol illuminated. If I take you guys over to the scan tool, today we're going to be using the Launch X431 Pro 3S Plus. We're going to hit Intelligent Diagnosis. We're going to let this thing communicate with the wireless VCI that is attached to the OBD2 connector. We're going to go ahead and hit Diagnosis. Then we're going to move into Special Functions. Then we're going to go into Reset Service. And if you take a look at this menu, you can see all of the different options that we have. We can calibrate the fuel level sensor. We can set the total mileage for the maintenance interval. We can reset the maintenance interval, which is what we're here to do. So we're going to hit this. Then it's going to ask us to input today's date. That is today's date, year, month, and day. We'll hit OK. They did do all the maintenance to this, so we're going to select all, hit OK. And as you guys can see, our operation is complete. We're gonna hit OK. We should be set to go. Let's move the scan tool aside. And as you guys can see, we no longer have a service maintenance light.